watch this, they're not going to really get one. Do you remember Neighbours, Kylie Minogue? Hello. Oh, my friend Summer Nix, people will relate to him. He did Seedlings. They have this really funny way of talking that it's really hard to kind of like, you know what I mean? Well, I was watching Downton Abbey, if you know what I mean, and it's really interesting the way that the British are supposed to be very snobbish because, you know, their mouth kind of contorts like this. And so there's the Queen's kind of English, so to say, if you like that. Or, you know, when we were in London, I mean, these guys, they're just so, like, radical and they're so interesting. It's like they can't say TH, they say th. So it's like 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We watch so much TV these days. I think it's really interesting the way our RJs, for example, on like FM 89, they're so Americanized. And I wonder if they particularly hire like expats who come from the States, or are they just like American school kids, or is it like the cool thing to do to kind of like talk? Unless you're like Matthew McConaughey, who needs to kind of change his accent up a little because it's way too southern all the time. The South African accent is a little bit difficult for me to do because it's not really Australian. No, this is one that I'm still trying to practice on. It's hard. It's kind of English, kind of Australian, kind of like hard. I don't, it's hard. Potrovsky was this really famous artist. You can see his paintings on the wall. He likes to drink this clear liquid, but I can't take the name. Potrovsky or something. But it's like very much interesting the way James Bond always has the bad guys speak in Russian accent. Yeah. In hindsight, it's the German, it's very... German is still... I'm not there yet with the German, It's hard. It's not getting there. Yeah. Are you Karan? What are you saying? No, Vicky, don't say that. I know. How can... No, you know what I mean? They're really like... When I see Sonam and all talking, they're not moving their head so much, but it's like, why are they enunciating the words so much? Come on, you also have to talk like it, I can't do it, No, Ranveer, what are you saying? We're going to watch this.